Ever felt overwhelmed by disarray and unnecessary work? Picture a manufacturing floor buzzing with inefficiencies, papers flying everywhere, workers running amok. It's a scene of pure chaos. A tangle of manual process has gone awry. Navigate through the chaos with mastery. For every challenge, there's a path to order. Enter Solvedio, a platform designed to automate the routines and streamline your processes. But how do we understand your unique challenges and needs? We'll comprehensively outline the entire scenario in the story map. This approach lets us grasp your operations, pinpointing the perfect solution swiftly. With Solvedio, your story leads to your solutions. From chaos to efficiency, that's the journey Solvedio takes you on. Trade in the issues for a streamlined, efficient process. Imagine how our Solvedio solution revolutionizes your work, simplifying tasks with its user-friendly platform. Whether it's SAAS, cloud, or on-premise, Solvedio is the key to unlock efficiency in your manufacturing operations. No more unnecessary work, no more chaos discomfort. Welcome to a new era of efficiency with Solvedio.